Frustrated by the Tquery Library DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Before the walkthrough for Tquery Library, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Tquery Library, the text query library. It facilitates localized full-text searching within the localized Windows indexing service. It handles localized parsing of document content to resolve localized search manifests for Windows Explorer. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This error indicates that a protected Windows file has been compromised. Use the official System File Checker tool. Run sfc/scan now in an administrator CMD to ensure Tquery Library DLL is restored to its original verified state. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Tquery library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like Tquery Library DLL. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If registry clutter or Tquery library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Tquery library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.